In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install AttackShark software. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their official website, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and then at the bottom of the page, it's going to say driver download over here. So click on this button, which is going to take you into their pages here where you can download the drivers as well as the software. So first, scroll down and find whatever product you want to download the software for. So I'm going to go into mouse over here, and if I scroll down a bit, you can of course find your own mouse, and I'm going to select this one for, let's say I have this mouse over here, the AttackShark X3 Max. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to pop up a bunch of different things here. So as you can see, if I click on any of these, it's going to allow me to get their different software for that specific product. Okay, so just click on the one that you have and click on this download button over here, and then you'll be able to see it's going to download that for you onto your computer as a zip folder. Now when that happens, you'll have to first unzip it. So over here, as you can see, I have it downloaded as a zip. I'm going to click on it, right click, and then you want to go and click extract all, and then just click on extract. Now when this is done, it's going to create a separate folder which does not have a zipper on it anymore. Just open up the folder, and in here it's going to basically show you the software for your specific product. Make sure it is actually for your product, double click it over here, and then when you do that, you're basically going to have to install this software. So it's going to pop up this setup window, click on next. Next again, of course, you can select where you want it to be installed. I'm going to leave it as default. Next, and then you want to click on the install button, and then this will get installed. And then when that's done, you can see it's going to say launch AttackShark software. You can just click on the finish button, and this should now open up, as you can see here, and it's going to start searching for your devices. Okay, now if there's no response for a long time, as it says over here, you will have to check if the device is successfully connected or paired. I don't have my mouse connected right now, so it's not showing, but of course, if you do have your mouse connected or whatever product you're using to your computer, it's going to detect it over here, and you will get access to the software. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.